Any advice on sleeping since starting TRT? I have trouble sleeping. Before TRT, I slept well.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
That's a hard one.
How long is he on? What doses? What else is he taking as part of his protocol? Is it due to anxiety, stress, and other factors? Again, there's a lot more questions that need to be answered here rather than a blanket statement.
Yeah, it's a tough one. Some guys, it's just an early side effect, and it gets better when they're on. Could be too high of a dose.
The guy's taking 200 milligrams a week, and he's taking 500 of HCG twice a week, and he's taking 3 milligrams of anastrozole, and he's been given 23 gauge 1.5 inch syringes. I wouldn't sleep just thinking about it.
Yeah. And a lot of it, I think, is anxiety too. When guys are early in the process, they're just thinking about they're on TRT. I don't know. They worry about side effects, right? How many posts do we see where guys are asking what bad side effects they should expect?
Yeah, it's an anticipatory response.
Yeah, it's nocebo.
Everything is under the microscope all of a sudden. It's like, hey, I noticed since I started TRT, there's more traffic on the way to work. You know? Seriously, it's like, let's blame everything on this. So
yeah, really bad correlation.
A lot more. What guys don't understand when they come in the groups, and I understand this, they just want answers. A proper assessment is not done over a Facebook post. You're looking for general answers, great. You're looking for an individual answer. You're looking for someone to assess your specific issue and advise you accordingly. This is a 40 to 60-minute process at the very least, and that is just over a conversation. That doesn't even include looking over your medical history and whatnot. So you'll notice, really don't give any resolutions in the Facebook group because I think it's irresponsible. People take it as blanket statements, and then they'll quote you 6 months later. Well, you told this guy who experienced A, B, and C to do this, and I'm experiencing A, B, and C, therefore I did that and it didn't work. You were wrong. Well, I never told you to do it. Yeah. So I just don't like to answer specific type of detailed questions without having all the facts. And that's not trying to give anyone a hard time. It's just trying to be responsible about it.
Yeah, that's what consultations are for. That's why you pay people to do that. I mean, it really is, because it's a liability.
You're not paying us to regurgitate information 15 times a day. You're paying us to study you individually.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, do this next. Click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization. Thanks.